This is an unboxing of the Garmin Instinct 2 Tactical Series in Coyote Tan. I was really interested in the tan color, the Coyote Tan color, and I had no other option than getting the tactical version of the Instinct 2. A little overkill, because I'll probably never use the kill switch, stealth mode, or night vision goggles. I'm coming from the original Instinct series, so this is going to be a welcomed upgrade with the new Elevate 4.0 heartbeat sensor, an SpO2 sensor, a much crisper, cleaner screen, and longer battery life, because the tactical version comes with solar as standard. Another welcome addition is the change in barometer port location on the Instinct 2. The old Instinct had it right near all the sweat, and I don't know about others, but my original Instinct doesn't know elevation, even if I had my toes touching the seawater. It always shows something like plus 1,000 meters above sea level, even after a calibration. Only takes a few seconds to jump straight back to 1,000 plus meters. Makes my runs and bike rides seem super impressive though. The watch is packaged really nicely in the box. First thing you see when you open it up, comes with a charging cable, which pretty much most Garmin charging cables work with this one too. Especially the old Instinct cart charging cable, 2 little manuals, and that's about it. And then you're ready to go, turn it on. Feels really nice on the wrist. The silicone band feels really great. Maybe the original Instinct felt that great when it was new. My old one's really just tearing and falling apart now. Looking forward to the extended battery life and the solar sensor, which you can kind of see in the right light around the edges. I managed to take it out for a run and it worked so well. The GPS picked up like almost instantly. It tracked me the whole way, even through dense bush on the trails while I was going for a run. Just super happy, felt so good on the wrist. I didn't even know it was there. Even though this is just a quick unboxing video, I've managed to give it a run for about 24 hours now. And I came across one negative so far. If you are switching through screens or menus on the watch, there is obvious lag. So don't know, hopefully they can patch that out with an update in the future. And there it is, a quick look at the Garmin Instinct 2 Tactical Edition in Coyote Tan. Love how it feels, love how it looks, love how it performs. It's definitely a cool watch, and looking forward to putting it through its paces.